Hey everybody, Mike P here with this week's Holiday Valley Mountain Update. Spring is in full swing here with warm temps, plentiful sun, and buttery soft turns. It truly is a special treat to be in a stretch of prime spring skiing and riding like we're experiencing right now as we near the finish line of this sensational season. This Saturday at 1 p.m., prepare for the ultimate wet and wild experience on snow with the Holiday Valley Pond Skimming. 50 participants will chance their fate of an imminent cold plunge for the glory of the cheers of the crowd and a potential crown of Pond Skim champion. This Sunday, we will send off the Chute in style with our annual Chute Fest, held by the Chute community for the Chute community. We celebrate the unique combination of all the characters, the entertainment value of the chair overhead, and a rad tailgating experience, and of course, spring bumps. Don't forget to take advantage through April 30th to get the best pricing on next year's season passes with an option for 0 APR financing. And you can start doing your snow dances for next season for a repeat winner like this one. This weekend at Holiday Valley is going to be an experience you won't want to miss. So come with all your friends, family, and your spring tomfoolery, and we'll see you on the mountain.